Hey, welcome to the show. Today we're going to talk about symmetry. What is symmetry? Basically, symmetry is if you were to take a look at this shape, you're going to draw the same shape on the other side. It's the equal amount. It's like a mirror image on the other side. I'm getting this from the book Marvel Heroes Math Made Easy. I'll have a link down below if you'd like to find that on Amazon. Otherwise, we're going to go ahead and work on this together. All right, so it's almost like if you were to take anything and look in the mirror, you're going to see the same thing. That's what symmetry is. It's also, if you have an object and you cut it in half, you want to make sure that each half is equal. So for example, if you have a pizza right here, you want to cut that pizza in half. This is called symmetry. This side is the same as that side. If you have a candy bar, you want to cut it in half. I know my son might cut it a little bit like this and have a bigger half, but no, you got to have both sides are equal. So right here, they have complete the shape. Now, if you want to, at any time, go ahead and pause the video. You can make a line, and it doesn't matter what kind of shape you do. Just try to match that shape on the other side. And then when you're ready to check it with me, hit the play button. So let's go ahead and do this one. It says complete each shape. So I'm going to try really hard to see if I can match that shape, just like this. And then I'll bring that other line over like there. All right. It's not completely equal, but you kind of get the idea. Here we have another one. This one kind of goes up a little bit like that. It's almost like an arrow, isn't it? Green Arrow is a superhero. All right, let's go ahead and do this one. This goes up like there, and then this line continues straight. Oh, this is kind of an interesting shape, isn't it? This one, now remember, this is only going to go a short distance. So they're trying to trick you. Only a short distance from there. And then this one is a little bit longer distance from here. How are they doing that? Oh, you know what? They got me on this one. This part right here is going to be over there. So we want to make it so it's this line is going to be going a little bit longer like this one, and then down here. So now this side should be equal to that side. They almost got me on that one. All right, on this one, remember, when we draw this, it's kind of like a puzzle. We know at the very end it has to be equal on both sides. So here I'm just going to draw a short line like this one, and then this line right here will be over here, and then bring it straight over there, just like that. Okay? Okay, my goodness, they do give us some challenging problems here. So let's see if we can figure this one out here. All right. Oh, okay. So I'm going to draw this line going straight here, and then I'm going to curve it up like that, and then this line comes all the way down like that. Okay. Yeah, that looks good. Let's go ahead and do this one. This one's going to be not too bad. Bring that line up and then over like this. Here's an interesting one here. So this line I'm going to just bring straight here, curve it a little bit, and then match it from there to there. They are throwing some challenging ones at us. And this will come down to here and then all the way down there. And then how do we do this one? This is interesting. This has to be symmetry. I really want to put just a little tiny triangle right there, but that's not symmetry. Look at that. Got to make a long line like this. This one goes straight and then curve it. It's almost like a little butterfly. Okay? So I'm going to check my work to make sure I did everything. Looks pretty good. How'd you guys do? So I hope you did a great job. Hey, make sure you check out my other videos on here. I have a lot of other fun videos. And hit that subscribe button so you don't miss one exciting show. Hey, thanks a lot and have a fun day. Adios. Goodbye.